Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Realme Pad Mini. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. To close it, click on OK. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Also on Realme, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Nokia. You can finally click on all of those categories located at the top. In them, select those dots at the top left corners to pick multiple files at once. You can also just click on the chosen ones. When you finished, click on Send next selected, located at the bottom. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon next to Input key on Realme. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Realme's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, tap on Input key section instead. Then type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!